Here I have some red reishi. They're 18 weeks old, which is a little long for some of the other mushrooms I grow, but they grew weird, and I just decided to let them go longer than I normally would. I'm going to take them out of the jars now, and I'm going to start with a small jar. See my thin knife? It's really cool the way it looks. Not sure how this is going to go, but I wanted to be able to. Sometimes if you just smack it, it'll come right out. There it is. Pretty cool. There we go. And now this big one. This one is so neat. Yeah, it's gonna come out. Oh, okay. So, as you can see, doesn't look the way reishi normally looks, but let's cut them apart and see what they look like inside. This is the big one. Oh, lots of good fermented rice. Looks so cool. Now I'm going to cut this off. Now the rice cake is just about here, so I'm just going to dig into it, see what happens. Oh wow, pretty neat. Kind of folded over on itself. Now this is all fruit body. So I will go ahead and cut that. And this can be prepared, can be dried, or you can cut it into small pieces like this, or smaller, and use it fresh. You can cook with it, make tea with it, anything you'd like to do. And when you're harvesting reishi, you don't have to harvest the whole jar at one time. You can just pull it out. Now it's easier with the antler reishi to just pull out one of the stalks and cut it off and then let the cake stay in the jar for a while longer till you want some more. And the way these grew, they didn't grow the fans and stuff on the side of the jars that a lot of the other ones. I don't know why. They always grow different, and I can't guarantee how any one jar is going to look when it grows. But I can guarantee you will get all the good nutrients that comes with reishi. And the fermented rice, when mycelia grows on rice. It deposits all its good properties into the rice. So eating this rice here that you see, the fermented rice, is just as good for you as eating the reishi fruit bodies. So I'm going to just place that over there. And then this one. Wow, that's a big one. Oh, wow, that is so cool looking. Let me go ahead and cut a little more off. Okay. Now that is some of the, oh no, that is fruit body. Yeah, that's all fruit body. I didn't cut into the rice cake. And you can see on the top that there's no rice cake there. It's just all there inside. There's more fruit body to cut up. Now the small ones, I'm gonna just cut it in half. You know, you can cut it any way you'd like. There's no one right way. Whatever feels comfortable, you can do. And cut some of this off. And there's some stuff just gooed out, but it was water. And there's more of them. Cut this one off. More of the rice cake in there. But you don't have to cut off the fruit bodies, especially when it grows like this, because it's all good. It's all good stuff in there, and all the properties that comes with reishi. Oh, it looks so neat, even cut apart, it looks cool. And this one. And like I said a minute ago, I expected these to grow up along the sides of the jars, but for some reason, these just didn't. And I started them all on the same day, and they got the same amount of light. You can see all the fermented rice in there. Here's another one. I'm going to do another video on some other red reishi that I've got going, and you'll be able to see the difference. And I'll get on with this after the video's over, and thanks for watching.